So this is problem 2.35, take a bigger sample. The question is, a management student is planning a project on students' attitudes towards part-time work while attending college. She develops a questionnaire and plans to ask 25 randomly selected students to fill it out. Her faculty advisor approves the questionnaire but suggests that the sample size be increased to at least 100 students. Why is the larger sample helpful? Back up your statement by using the quick method to estimate the margin of error for samples of size 25 and for samples of size 100. Okay, so why is the larger sample size helpful? A larger size sample is helpful because it reduces the margin of error, which means your data is going to be closer to the real-life amount. So to calculate the margin of error for a sample of size 25, you would do 1 over the square root of 25, and that's going to equal out to 1/5, and put that in percentage. It's going to be plus or minus 0.2, which is going to be plus or minus 20%. Okay. And then how you would state that is, we are 95% confident that the actual amount is within plus or minus 20% margin of error. So, for the next one, it says also calculate the margin of error for a sample size of 100. Okay, for that you would pretty much do the same formula. You would put 1 over the square root of 100, and that's going to equal out to 1/10, and that's going to equal out to plus or minus 0.1, and to put that into percentage, it's going to be plus or minus 10%. Okay, and how you would say that is, we are 95% confident that the actual amount is within plus or minus 10% margin of error. So, due to the larger sample size of 100 instead of 25, the margin of error will shrink and the data will be more accurate.